Good morning, everyone. So I have my CabKing grinder here, and it was about time that I got some new wheels. Everyone hypes up the Diamond Pacific wheels, and I thought I'd give them a try myself this time, doing a full set. Overall, the wheels look pretty good. I had a 1200 CabKing wheel, which is the one on the right, the white one. And this is the new Nova wheel 1200, just to compare them. The CabKing wheel, the resin's really consistent. I'm not sure what the diamond content is in it. There's a little strip of glue on it. It's not a scratch. And then on the left side is the Nova wheel. Pretty consistent as well, but the edges on these wheels seem to be a little lacking. Get a little concerned about that, but we'll see what happens. Here's the 280 grit. They were real generous on the resin in some areas. Real thick. Hopefully that don't make it real bumpy, because it's only thick in some areas. But that's okay. This is the 220. This 600 was about the worst, and I'm a little concerned about a few spots in it that are almost showing the belt. The resin's real thin, so I decided I'm going to mark the areas that are thin. That way, if I have some issues with it, I can have record of those areas that are thin and see if they hold up or not. But you can see the grit of that belt there, meaning that resin coating is a bit thin. So I'm a little concerned. But we'll put them on, try them out, see how long they last. For the price I paid, I'm hoping they hold up. I gotta create some spacers because the wheels where you mount them are a little wider on the Novas, so I need to shorten my spacers a bit. But we'll get it done. Have a good day.